Jai Hind students. In our previous chapter, we studied about the aquatic life. In this chapter, we will study about the water, how we can get clean and safe water. And key points of this chapter are water pollution, steps to control water, and ways to purify drinking water, and some tips to conserve water in our surroundings. Children, what we studied in our previous chapter, that is water in our life. Why water is important, different sources of water and states of water, as well as water cycle. And before that, we studied about the why water is important and different sources of water. And now we will start first of all aquatic life, which those animals which live in water are called as aquatic animals. Like few animals, like few birds, they live in water. Example, like ducks, you can see in the picture, as well as few animals like octopus, hippocampus, etc. As well as few birds are there. You can see cranes, as well as in our previous chapters I told you about wading birds. Which are wading birds? Those birds which have long legs. Right, children? Few animals which can live in water as well as on land, they are come under the category of amphibians. Now, how water gets polluted? This is big question. And first of to get clean and safe water, first of all we should know about the pollutants which make the water polluted. And how it get polluted? Like there are many factors which affect the water. Like first of all, in this slide you can see factors leading to water pollution. First of all, discharge of toxic industrial waste in water bodies. जो इंडस्ट्रीज़ में जो केमिकल्स वगैरह बनते हैं, जिन केमिकल्स की हेल्प होती है, तो जो बची हुई चीज़ें होती हैं, दे यूज टू डिस्चार्ज इन वाटर बॉडीज़ एंड दीज केमिकल्स मेक द वाटर polluted. Another factor, that is sewage is mixed in water bodies. That surely it will make water dirty, which we cannot drink. As well as discharge of sewage in water bodies, as well as household activities in which water is used, that water is also discharged in water bodies. And some fertilizers and pesticides which are used by the farmers, that is also discharged in water, which makes the water polluted. As well as again you can see washing clothes, bathing animals, etc. These factors are responsible for the water pollution. And now question is this: how we can clean it for making it a drinking purpose? And that water which we can drink, that is called as potable water. क्या कहते हैं उसको? Potable water, जो हम पी सकते हैं. And we can make drinking water safe by some steps. We can follow some steps, like बॉइलिंग फॉर 10 मिनट्स टू किल द जर्म्स। जब हम पानी को गर्म करते हैं, बॉईल करते हैं, तो उसके जितने भी जर्म्स होते हैं वो सब किल हो जाते हैं। एज वेल एज यूजिंग वाटर फिल्टर्स, हम आरओ का पानी पीते हैं, उससे भी क्या होती है, बहुत सारी इम्प्योरिटीज़ क्या हो जाती हैं, रिमूव कर दी जाती हैं। एज वेल एज वी कैन ऐड some chemicals like chlorine tablet or iodine solution in the correct proportion, तभी वाटर क्या हो सकता है, क्लीन हो सकता है। अब क्लीन वाटर को वी शुड कंजर्व इट, हमने क्लीन किया, वाटर क्लीन है तो हमें उसको बचा करके भी रखना होगा। अब हम कैसे बचा सकते हैं पानी को, लाइक we can do or we can store water by harvesting system, rain water harvesting, as well as watershed development, or we can say storage of water in tanks, as well as water recycling is the main thing, जिससे कि हम पानी को साफ़ कर सकते हैं। जो भी जितनी भी वाटर बॉडीज़ गंदी करते हैं ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, दैट वाटर, अगर वाटर को ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट के थ्रू पास कराया जाए तो फिर हमको कैसा मिलेगा, साफ़ पानी मिलेगा। एंड नाउ वी कैन कंज्यूम क्लीन सेफ वाटर, राइट चिल्ड्रन? So children, water is essential for life, but the amount of water is limited on the earth. ये तो हमने आपको पहले वाले चैप्टर में भी बताया है। अब using water wisely and carefully is the only way to conserve water. Now it's our duty to save water.